Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to make video calls in WhatsApp on your PC. Whether you want to connect with friends, have a virtual meeting, or see your loved ones, WhatsApp has got you covered. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. First, open WhatsApp on your PC. Ensure that you are logged into your account and have access to your chats. Step 2. Go to Chat next. Navigate to the chat with the contact you want to have a video call with. You can find your chats on the left-hand side of the screen. Step 3. Press the video icon from the top right corner of the chat. Once you've located the chat, look for the video icon in the top right corner. Click on it to initiate the video call with the selected contact. Step 4. Press the red button to hang up. When you're done with the video call, simply press the red button to hang up and end the conversation. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily make video calls in WhatsApp on your PC. Stay connected with your friends, family, and colleagues, and enjoy face-to-face conversations right from your computer. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tutorials. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Until next time, happy video calling.